Alright, here's a Dodge Neon 2003. The problem here is that the left rear wheel rolls a little bit and then it locks up. You see it? Rolls a little bit and then locks up. You can only go forward or you can go backwards. Only for a little bit. So, you can hear it. Something's definitely hitting here. It'll only go this way and then it'll go around and then hit again and it'll stop. So we're going to find out what it's hitting. Whatever it is, hitting pretty solid. So I'm thinking maybe the park and brake lever let go. Alright, I'm going to hammer this off. Hold on. Alright, so we smacked it with a sledge and we got the drum off. And I'm looking. The thing spins fine. Let's see what else. Hardware is all intact. Oh, look at this. The brake shoe lining. These linings are bonded. They're glued on. Looks like it let go. Here it is. It's stuck on the shoe. That explains why it turns one way and then it hits. Turns another way, then it hits again. Look at that. It just let go all of a sudden. Alright, so we solved the mystery. Needs brake shoes. One of the reasons why I don't like bonded shoes. Never liked them. Always got the riveted ones. Alright, pretty interesting, right? Things you find in the cars. Alright, looks like brake shoes and a drum. Sounds good? Alright. Over and out.